All right, guys, so the latest rumors about the Triumph dirt bike. This comes per Michael Lindsay with Vital MX, posted a video on the Red Button channel yesterday. According to him, they have heard that this engine does take some inspiration from the outgoing KTM 250, 350 engine as far as maybe the clutches, the gears, how the crankcases are put together and everything stacked inside. But the bigger piece of news that you guys might be interested in is that, according to them, they've heard this bike is coming KYB suspension front and rear. So I'm sure a lot of people will be happy to hear that. There's a very big KYB cult out there that thinks there's absolutely nothing else even worth riding on. So that will definitely help sales. I'm 100% sure. You can see this play mock-up right here for jokes. Most of those had Oleans. That we definitely don't think that's going to happen. So it's looking like KYB on the new Triumph dirt bike. We'll see the engine on August 15th.